Hello guys, welcome back to Drone Legends. Today we are back here on a brand new drone flight. So yeah, as I came here, it started to get dark, but hopefully we can still get a decent drone flight. Without further ado, we're gonna take off. Alright, so I don't know why my gimbal's not stabilized. I don't know, I'm not sure why. We're gonna get a shot of it. We're just gonna go straight up first. So yeah, hopefully it's a little bit windy. You can hear the drone fighting the wind a little bit, so we might not do a longer drone flight. We'll just do a little short drone flight. So it's going to go to the max time, just do a 360 photo, then we're just going to explore the area. First we're going to do, we're going to explore Brent Cross area. I'm just going to go down here. I'm just going to explore it. Just going to explore what Brent Cross looks like. Just going to go towards Brent Cross a little bit and then going to orbit around. So just going to explore what Brent Cross looks like. Just going to get a nice shot. So there's a little bit of music playing. I'm going to walk away from the music because it's going to get me a copyright. I'm facing away from where the music's playing anyway, so just going to explore what Brent Cross looks like. So we're just going to stay around here. Just going to explore it a little bit and we're going to go around it. You know, the other side of Brent Cross. I don't know what happened there, but I just lost signal for no reason. And I didn't even move, I just lost signal. Why can't I cancel it? Yeah. So yeah, let's just explore. I think it's interference from my lav mic. I had full bars and suddenly just lost complete signal. It's causing interference and I'm not sure why. It might be using the same signal as the drone. And yeah, this song that's playing, I think I'm gonna walk away from it. I'm trying to do this quick circle around Brent Cross and then we're gonna come back and then I'm gonna just go towards home. So you can see the Brent Cross car park. So yeah, we're just gonna head back now. We're coming by a little bit slow because of the wind and the song seems to have quietened down now. So yeah, I might walk away from where the music's playing. Just gonna do a little, just gonna go straight over. Just gonna explore this side of Hendon, which is where we are. Try to face away where the music's playing. Yeah, the wind's a bit sketchy, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna go a little bit ahead. So let's just explore this area of Hendon. So yeah, if Brent Cross is a little too far for where I want to go, that's why it's quite hard to get shot. We can explore Hendon though, Hendon Central, which is where we are. Just gonna get a nice shot of Hendon. Then we're gonna go a little bit down. I'm gonna get a nice shot of Hendon. Of traffic. So you can see the train going there. So you can get a little drone shot, but we can't go close to Brent Cross because Brent Cross is far from where I am. I might just walk away from where the song's playing because let's keep the static shot as I walk away from this place. I'm walking towards where my drone is anyway, so so it should be far from. Alright, so let's just get a little bit of a nice shot. So this is Hendon Central. Just gonna get a nice shot of it. I'm gonna follow the cars going there, this way. This car coming fast down here. Let's follow it actually. Really interesting. Going towards Brent Cross. It's crazy. It's gone all the way down there. Yep, and that's the Brent Cross shopping centre. So it's going to get shot over here as well. Get shot of Brent Cross. turn around quickly. We get a nice shot of this main road as well. Then after that we're going to land it because my battery's a little bit low. It's good to get shot during night as well. So I usually get daytime shots, but I want to get nighttime shots as well. Follow the bus as well. Oh, that's an amazing shot. We got a shot of that Tesla going this way. Explore this side of Hendon as well. Let's get a straight down shot. Alright, let's start turning back now. Let's get a static shot of this. Just want to have a static shot of Hendon. Then we get, look at that, you can see someone's doing a little show over here. Someone's juggling. Looks really interesting. Let's get a closer shot of that. That's interesting. It looks like they're doing a show with a little bit of fire. Really interesting. Let's see what he does next. Will he do it here? I wish I could film for longer, but we're running low on battery. We're running low on battery, so when the beeping happens, I'm gonna move the controller away from the microphone, which is gonna happen in a minute. Then we're gonna just land the drone. See the bus. Just gonna wait for the mic. Now he's gonna bring the drone back. That's where we are. Actually, wait, let's bring it here because I'm moving my home point, isn't it? I've been walking. Wait. Yeah, I've got to bring it here. Yeah, got to bring it here. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight. Let me land it first. Yeah, that was my amazing drone flight. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.